Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will study about the assert statement in Python, which is used for exception handling. Okay, so assert statement is generally used to test an expression. Okay, so test an expression means the expression that is specified in the assert statement, it is evaluated, the value of the expression is calculated, and then it is checked whether the expression evaluates to true or false, or whether the condition that is present in the expression is true or false. And if the expression evaluates to false, then we use the assert statement to raise an exception. Okay, so raising an exception was talked about in the previous video. We studied how the raise keyword is used to raise a exception in Python program. Okay, so what is the assert statement? It is a statement that contains the assert keyword. It then consists of an expression, and then it consists of an optional argument. So assert is a keyword here, the expression is the condition that we need to check, and this is the string that will be printed when this particular condition evaluates to false. Okay, and this string will be printed as an assertion error. So if this particular condition evaluates to false, that means the expression is false, then the output of this particular statement of the program will be assertion error, and then this string that is specified as an argument to the assert statement will be printed. Okay, so I'll just give you an example, but before that, let's check or let's understand why assert statement is required. So the assert statement is generally used after a function call or as the first statement in the function. That means it is either used in the beginning of the function or just immediately following the function call. So what happens is, generally in functions we pass some kind of parameters, and generally these parameters must follow certain rules. Either they must be of a specific data type, they must lie in some range. So to check the values that have been passed to the function, we generally make use of an assert statement. And if the assert statement that is checking the expression is not true, we raise an exception. Okay, so here is an example of how you can use the assert statement. This program consists of an import statement which is importing the math module as m. Okay, so the name of the math module will be m in our program. We are defining a function named square root, which is taking an argument, and inside this function the first step we are doing is that we are checking that the value of the argument, the argument should be greater than 0, then only proceed with the other functioning of this function. So basically you will do anything only when the value that is passed to this function is greater than 0, otherwise we don't need to do anything. So if this condition is true, that means number is greater than 0, then directly this particular statement, the next statement, will be executed. So what will be printed? The square root of the number will be printed. But if this condition evaluates to false, that means the assert condition evaluates to false, then an exception will be raised and the string that will be printed will be not a positive value. This is the argument that you passed to the assert statement. So when we call the function square root with a value 9 as its argument, the return value is 3, because in such a case, after calling the function, the control will go here, then assert statement will become true. So nothing will be printed from this particular statement, and the print statement will be printed. So the print statement will be executed and the output will be 3.0. But what happens when the second function call is made? So in the second function call, we pass the argument as -9. Okay, the value is -9. Now when this function call is made, again the control of the program goes to the function definition, And the first thing that is done in the function is the execution of the assert statement. This particular condition or this particular expression is evaluated and the value -9 is greater than 0. This particular expression becomes false. So an assertion error is raised and this particular string, which was the argument to the assert statement, is printed. Okay, so this entire statement will be printed on your screen. Assertion error colon, not a positive value. All right, so basically assert statement is also used to raise an exception, but it is generally used when a particular expression evaluates to false. Now you can use assert statement anywhere, but most of the times it is used just after the function call or in the very beginning of a function. So that was all for today. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts or you want to let us know that how you find the video, please mention to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.